Scientists are extracting the venom of scorpions and spiders in the hunt for valuable molecules that could help in the battle against drug-resistant superbugs. Matthew Stock reports.
It's feeding time at this lab in southeast England. About 400 invertebrates are housed here, including about 70 species of tarantula and 30 species of scorpion. Their venom can be fatal to humans, but the scientists here say it could be a lifeline in the battle against superbugs. After temporarily putting them to sleep, the team from Venom Tech can collect a tiny sample.
Using a very tiny electrical stimulation just to contract the muscle and squeeze the gland, so we get a small amount of venom produced. This is measured in microliters, which is 1,000th of a milliliter, but in that small amount there's a lot of interesting peptides.
This small droplet of venom could hold the key for a new generation of drugs. But first it needs to be broken down.
Venom's like crude oil. It contains several hundred different components, and so we separate that out in a two-phase process called high-pressure liquid chromatography. That gives us typically about 100 fractions per venom, and each one of those fractions may contain 1 to 5 individual peptides.
It's these molecules that make these creatures' venom so successful at targeting and attacking their prey by evading the body's defences. This is the same as what doctors hope an injected drug will do.
Some of them we've found actually can kill bacteria, and bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus that are very relevant at the moment where modern medicines is failing. And we're also finding venoms that are modifying and killing cancer cells.
Venom Tech says they are now working with at least one major pharmaceutical company to turn their discoveries into viable new drugs. Experts warn of the looming crisis of multi-drug resistant infections, largely caused by overprescription. Scientists around the world are scrambling to find new drugs. But the team here is hopeful these superbugs could offer a solution.